Hello friends, today we will be making Raj Kachori, which can be said as king of kachori. The name itself brings water in our mouth. Don't worry, the name is big, but it is very easy to make. So without delay, let's start the recipe. I will be showing step by step. So first we will be making kachori. For that, let's make the dough. For kachori dough, we require 1 cup maida, half cup suji, half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon ghee and water. Take a mixing bowl and add all the dry ingredients together, that is maida, suji, salt and baking soda. Now mix everything properly. After mixing properly, add ghee and again give a mix. Now slowly go on adding water and make dough. Do not add all the water together, otherwise the dough will be very soft and then it will not be crispy kachori but puri that can be eaten with sabji. Well, jokes apart, in kachori, 2 steps are very important. First is dough making and second, the way of frying. Rest everything is just assembling according to our taste. Here I will be kneading for approximately 5 minutes so that it's smooth and not sticky. So our dough is now ready, not too firm, not too soft. Cover it with a plate or cloth and give it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, again knead it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now make medium-sized balls from the dough. Take the dough with the help of your palm, roll it into balls such that there are no cracks. Now with the help of rolling pin, roll into 4 to 5 inch diameter round like puri, not too thin, not too thick. See that you don't roll big, then puri will not puff up, and if it's small then filling will be very less. Here we will roll one and then fry it instead of making all the puris together. Now for frying the puris, here I have taken oil in the pan. Check the temperature of oil by adding small dough. If it comes up, then our oil is perfect. Keep on high flame while adding puris. Now add the puri. Go on adding hot oil with the help of spoon on the top. Reduce the flame to medium-high so that it turns crispy. As soon as the puri puffs up, turn the other side and similarly add oil on the top and press on the top so that the sides are also fried. Our puri is now golden brown and crispy. Remove from the oil and keep on the sieve and not on the tissue paper so that the extra oil is removed and the puri remains crisp. Allow the puri to cool for 3 to 4 hours at room temperature. Till the puri cools, let's prepare the stuffing. For that, first we will be making yogurt sauce. For that, take 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar and 1 cup yogurt or dahi. Now add sugar and salt in yogurt and with the help of hand whisker, mix it properly to smooth consistency. Our yogurt sauce is now ready. So these everything we will be requiring for stuffing. Here is the list: fried puri, tamarind chutney, mint chutney, yogurt or dahi sauce, boiled yellow peas, boiled potatoes cut in small cubes, onion chopped, chopped coriander, salt, red chili powder, roasted cumin, chaat masala, pomegranate and some save. So now let's assemble our Raj Kachori. So here is our puri. Make hole in the center. The voice you hear states how crispy our puri is. Stuff 2 tablespoons of boiled potato and 1 tablespoon boiled yellow peas. Pour 1 teaspoon of tamarind chutney. And stuff half tablespoon of onions. Now pour 1 teaspoon of mint chutney and 1 tablespoon of yogurt sauce. Again repeat the stuffing steps. How tempting it's looking, na? So our kachori is now stuffed. Garnish it with yellow peas, yogurt sauce, some tamarind chutney and mint chutney. At the end, sprinkle some red chili powder, roasted cumin, chaat masala, some salt, pomegranate, and at the end garnish it with coriander. You can also add sev to it. If you don't have sev, then add haldiram bhujia to it. Our Raj Kachori is now ready. I cannot wait to eat this tempting dish. I know after watching this recipe, your mouth is also filled with water. So what you are waiting for? Go and make this recipe at your home and enjoy the lovely weather with this tasty kachori. And do share your experience with me in the comment box. If you like today's recipe, then do not forget to press the like button and also share and subscribe my channel.